I'm sure you realize the value of using video as a marketing tool for your business. But do you know what the single most important factor in video production is? Believe it or not, the most important factor is not the quality of the video production itself. And it has nothing to do with lighting, acting, editing, sound, or any other production element. No. The most important factor in creating videos is the video script. Unfortunately, most video production companies are not trained as marketing copywriters, so the scripts they create are not very effective. And even those companies who do have trained copywriters usually use outdated scripting practices that are full of the 3 forbidden phrases, meaning that they will also be under-leveraged. At Power Marketing, we won't create a video for a client until we've first gone through an extensive consultation so that our scriptwriters can produce the most effective video script possible to ensure that prospects who watch your video buy from you and not your competitors. Our process is based on human nature and scientific analysis, and not creativity or entertainment value. Before you invest in a video production for your company, be sure to download our free report entitled 10 Essential Rules to Maximize the Effectiveness of Your Marketing Videos. In this report, you will learn what the 3 forbidden phrases are, how to dominate search engine results using video, why you should never use YouTube to host videos on your website, and a lot more. You can download the guide immediately by clicking on it on the right side of this website.